It is good practice to regularly check all of the fluid levels on your vehicle. Unlike your engine oil where you use the dipstick to check the amount of oil in the engine, the brake fluid has a reservoir in the engine compartment, or with an electric vehicle, this may be in a different location. You should be able to see this, and often it has a yellow cap. This is usually a semi-transparent container which has a fluid level indicator with a minimum and maximum mark, and you should be able to see the amount of fluid on the reservoir against this. The fluid should be between the minimum and maximum levels. Too little or too much fluid can cause the braking system to not work as expected. There will also be a fluid level warning switch which will activate a warning light on the dashboard if the level falls too low. As the brake fluid gets older, it deteriorates. This is quite normal. This is caused by the heat that the brake fluid is exposed to during braking. Brake fluids are also hydroscopic. This means that they will absorb water, which can adversely impact the fluid's performance. Because of this, the brake fluid, just like an engine oil, has a service life. Many vehicle manufacturers recommend changing the brake fluid every 2 years, no matter how many miles the vehicle has driven. Your vehicle's manufacturer will have a recommended schedule for when your brake fluid should be changed. This can usually be found in your vehicle's handbook. Replacing or changing the brake fluid is a complicated job, and I recommend that you take your vehicle to your trusted mechanic for this work to be done.